So let's solve the problem meeting rooms 2. Here's the problem statement. Uh, Given two arrays, start and end. So we have these two arrays, uh, such as the start is the start of a meeting and end is the ending time of the ith meeting. So we have 1 and 7. Let's not confuse anything with AM or PM. Let's keep it in 24 time format. But also the number can be anything, right? It can also be 10 raised to the power 5. That's the maximum, right? So uh, these are the starting time and ending times are 4, 15 and 10. So you need to find out that in how many minimum rooms. Okay, let's say we are running a startup at WeWork. So we have like not unlimited, let's say many rooms. 100 conference rooms are there in a large WeWork startup building. Okay, so here we have to be financially very cost efficient in the way we have to book meeting rooms, right? So we have to find the minimum amount of meeting rooms for that single day. So for example, here we have the meeting starts from 1 and it goes till 4, right? Same meeting starts from 10 and goes till 15. So we'll have to check if let's say we can draw lines here. Let's say 1 to 4. Okay, so that's the timeline. Then we can do 10 to 15. 10 to 15. Then we have 7 to 10, which is this. Okay, so here you might make the assumption that okay, 10 is the uh, you know overlapping time, but here it says a person can also attend a meeting if its starting time is same as the previous meeting's ending time. Okay, so we can assume that changing the meeting room or meeting will take 0 seconds, so instantaneously he can join this another meeting. Okay, so in here we have zero overlapping, so we can book one room and for the whole day we can have these three meetings. So the answer for that is 1. Also the explanation is given that since all the meetings are held at different times, it is possible to attend all the meetings in a single room, okay, because there are no overlappings. Now let's check the same for the second case. Okay, so the array size is also same here, so which is a good thing for explaining. 4, 12 and 10. Okay, so let's draw timelines here. So it starts from 2, goes till 4. Okay, now it starts from 9 and goes till 12. So 9, 12. Okay, and 6 to 10. 6 to 10. So you can see this portion will be our overlapping time. So we don't have to worry about how much hours are we going to overlap, because all we have to find is the number of rooms. Okay, so there is only one overlap here, no other. So intuitively we can just think that by default we can have one meeting room because it's a required, okay, constraint I cannot see here, but it must be like one only by default. And if we can find a overlap, we'll plus it by one. So by adding one we can get two, as simple as that, okay. But the thing is, okay, we can draw it and find out, okay, but for larger problems it can go up to 10 to the power 5, which we cannot just iterate that. Most of the times these online platforms like LeetCode, Geeks for Geeks have an upper limit of 10 to the power 5, oh sorry, 8 executions. Some also have 5, but mostly 8 executions. And if we go n square for this, we can have 10 to the power 10, which will be limit exceeded. So it will give an error. So in the next video, I'll tell you the exact approach that I did, and that too in an iterative way, so that from uh, basic approach you can go up to the most efficient approach in front of an interviewer. Thank you.